There's a couple different types of springs, but the one we're talking about today, it's your typical black spring. But the big difference with these is it has these little pins. These pins go in here and you adjust it with this wrench like I'll show you in a second. This is important because without these, you can't put tension on this spring, and therefore the spring's just kind of like a decoration. You don't want your gate shutting too hard, because then it's going to cause extra wear and tear on the latch side with it slamming in there. And then if it's not closing enough, then the dogs are getting out. So this is a critical thing to know, and I want to show you how to do it so that you can do it yourself.